Okay, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We're going to do this in parts, but we're going to learn each part individually, fingers, and then we'll put all the parts together. So the first part, at the very beginning of the song, is just two open strings. Remember that your strings are, for violins, everywhere there's ants and they're digging in the ground, going from high to low. For violas, you're going ants and they're digging in the ground all the way to China, and they're high to low also. So on the D string, we're going to play open D. You're going to go D, D. Then you're going to go across and play open A twice. A, A. Then you're going to put your first finger down on the first finger tape. B, B. And then open A for a long note. A. So doing that all together. D, D, A, A. B, B, A. Good. Practice that. All right, now next, we are going to do what you were doing before. You're going to put all of your fingers down on the D string. So you're going to put your third finger on the third finger tape, second finger smack up against it, first finger on the first finger tape. So there's going to be no space in between your fingers 1 or 2 and 3, and there's going to be space in between your fingers 1 and 2. And then we're going to go with your very fingertips, 3, 3, pick up your 3, 2, 2, pick up your 2, 1, 1, pick up your 1, long open. Okay, so let's play that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, pick it up. 2, 2, pick it up. 1, 1, pick it up. Open. Very good. Practice that. Now, after we do those two parts, we're going to do another downward cycle of notes, but this time we're going to start on your open A string. A, A. Then you're going to have to plop all 3 fingers down on your D string to get the third finger note. So it's going to go A, plop all 3 at once. Notice that I came up with the space in between 1 and 2, no space in between 2 and 3. We're not using your 4 yet. And we plop all 3 of those fingers down and we play 2 of those third finger notes. Then we pick up the third finger, play 2 of the 2 fingers. Oops, you're only supposed to play 1 of those. So it's going to go A, plop all 3 down, 3, 3, pick it up, 2, 2, pick it up, 1. And if you put all your fingers down, you don't have to worry about putting one finger down, then putting a finger down, picking it up, putting a finger down, picking it up. They're all down. Now you just pick up, and you've got it set. So practice that. All right. That is all you need for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We need pattern 1, D, D, A, B, B, A. Then we need all 3 fingers on the D string, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1 opens. Pattern number 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1 open. And then we do both of those patterns again. Pattern 1, pattern 2. Pattern 2. And then we go to pattern number 3. And we start on the A string. A, plop all fingers down. Do pattern 3 again. Then pattern 1. Pattern 2. And notice that I've got my thumb anchored for pizzicato and I'm plucking with my first finger and my arm is up enough. I'm not touching my instrument. Notice that my right hand, my wrist is straight. That I'm holding the instrument between this part of my hand. It's not going all the way down. It's between the edge of my thumb and the side of my hand here. And then my fingers curl nicely down and I'm using the very tips of my fingers in order to play these notes. So practice these little parts and pieces, then put it all together and you've got Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Have fun!